Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that's both empowering and a bit cold: how to make your enemies regret doubting you. We've all faced skepticism, whether from peers, colleagues, or even family. But here's the cold truth: doubt can be a catalyst for growth. Let's explore how to turn that doubt into your advantage. First, embrace the doubt. Recognize that skepticism often stems from fear or misunderstanding. Instead of letting it bring you down, use it as motivation. Example, think of famous figures like J.K. Rowling, who faced countless rejections before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. The key is to channel that energy. Turn your enemy's doubt into fuel for your ambition. Next, set clear and achievable goals. When others doubt you, having a roadmap is crucial. Tip: break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. This not only keeps you focused but also allows you to showcase your progress. Share your milestones with your doubters. Let them witness your journey. This transparency can turn skepticism into admiration. Now it's time to prove them wrong. Action: show, don't just tell. Work hard, stay consistent, and let your results speak for themselves. Remember, it's not about revenge, it's about personal growth. When you achieve your goals, your doubters will be forced to reevaluate their opinions. Lastly, maintain your composure. When faced with doubt, it's easy to react emotionally. Advice: stay calm and collected. Respond with confidence rather than defensiveness. A composed demeanor demonstrates strength and resilience, qualities that can turn the tide of perception in your favor. In conclusion, making your enemies regret doubting you isn't about proving them wrong, it's about proving yourself right. Final thought: use doubt as a stepping stone, set clear goals, show your progress, and always keep your cool. So, the next time someone doubts you, remember, their skepticism can be your greatest ally. Thank you.